saying, even in my mess, you forgive and love nonetheless.
Even though I blamed you for every hurt and pain and giving myself away to people who don't remember my name, God, in spite of all this, you chased me down time and time again.
Love, I need you desperately, and no one else will do. Just promise not to leave, because without you, my heart won't beat, my lungs won't breathe. Love, I need you desperately. Love, you're more than enough. More than enough for me.
Lord, who am I that you would invest so much into this broken jar of clay? I am in awe of how much you love me. So when I start to doubt, I just look up and say, oh, how he loves.
Oh, how he loves.
Oh, how he loves.
Oh, how he loves.
Oh, how he loves us.